All right, all perimeter screws have been removed from what I can tell. Looks good. So it looks like I should just be able to pull it back. Probably not breaking any connections back here. Oh, well, look at that. There's the culprit right there. Let's see what I can do about that. All right, so got the back plate off. Located the issue. It's pretty obvious. Still connected to the board, so that's good. And we swapped out the old battery tray. Got the new one put in. Here's my issue. Look at this tiny little cord. What am I going to do with this? Is that going to make it all the way up there? Let's find out. So in theory, it would go right there. All right, we'll balance it with our knee because I'm doing my DIY repairs. Now those solders are questionable at best. Oh yeah, how's that getting all the way up there? It's not. Well, I still don't like that. I still feel like that is shitty soldering. Butt connectors. Yeah. Because this is nowhere near long enough to make it all the way over to here. But that's okay. Let's see if this works. Yay, success. Look at that. The surgery was a success. Except for the fact that whoever put this together sent me a completely incompatible battery tray. Guess that makes sense as to why it didn't reach. How's that supposed to go in there, guys? They go in there, you snap it off and lock it in, or there's a tuck under there. How it goes. Let's see if you can get it on camera. How's that go? They go in there and click into place there. A giant hole that doesn't fit. Yeah, wrong battery module.